We are thrilled to announce a powerful new feature on Listhouze, open home and QR code registration. Managing visitors at open houses can be a challenge. Keeping track of who attended and ensuring a smooth sign-in process is crucial for effective follow-up. Introducing our game-changing solution, agent-managed open home and custom QR code registration. Now, agents can instantly generate custom-branded QR codes directly from the Listhouze platform for any open house event. These custom QR codes are designed for easy on-property visitor registration, making sign-in faster and more professional. What does this mean for agents? It's all about maximizing lead capture and ensuring compliance. Every visitor who scans the QR code and registers is captured directly into your Listhouze platform as a lead. No more manual data entry or lost contact details. The system ensures all open house visitors are properly signed in, giving you a clear, compliant record of attendance. With captured and organized lead data, facilitating easy and timely follow-up is simple, allowing you to nurture those connections effectively. But it's not just about agents. This feature significantly improves the visitor experience too. Visitors get a mobile-friendly quick link for registration when they scan the QR code. It's fast and convenient. Say goodbye to awkward paper sign-up sheets. This feature provides a smooth and professional sign-in process that leaves a great first impression. Ready to streamline your open house process and elevate your lead game? Sign up today at listhouze.com.